Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete the histories of the videos you've watched on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon. Now, go to Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Scroll down and find the option Activity Log. Then, swipe left on the screen and select Videos Watched. This will display a list of all the videos you've watched on Facebook. To delete a specific video, tap on the three dots icon next to it and select Delete. If you want to delete the history of all the videos you've watched, select the option Clear Video Watch History. Confirm by selecting Clear, and all the histories of the videos will be deleted. That's it! You've successfully cleared your video watch history on Facebook. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.